Good afternoon and welcome to Daily Stock Market Update. The DCX extended its gaining streak for the second consecutive day, gaining 51.22 points or 0.8% and settling at 6,426 points. Market turnover was BDT 10.47 billion, which is an increase of 10.89% compared to the previous trading day. Beximco, Square, Renata, Beacon and Orient Pharma from the pharmaceutical sector, Beximco and Ifad Autos from the industrial sector, and Saif Powertech and Jamuna Oil from the fuel and power sector mainly pulled the market up today. In terms of sector-wise return, the pharmaceutical sector registered the highest gain of 1.16%, while the NBFI sector posted the second highest gain of 1.1%. On the other hand, the general insurance sector registered the highest loss of 0.32%. 7 industrial companies, 3 general insurance companies and 3 textile companies were among the top 20 gainers today. Meghna Insurance, Munnu Fabrics and Sai Powertech registered the highest gain, while Standard Ceramic, Meghna Condensed Milk and Meghna Pet Industries were the top losers. Investors exerted buying pressure on the Munnu Fabrics, even though one of the leading dailies reported that despite having no price-sensitive information, manipulators are trying to inflate the share price by disseminating rumors. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Munnu Fabrics, Dominate Steel and Express Insurance increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. Express Insurance trading volume surged significantly today as investors might have shown interest due to its quarterly earnings growth compared to the previous year. There was no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of the remaining stocks. Today's top 2 news. Even though some banks are settling import letters of credit at BDT 93 per USD on paper, they are actually charging higher than the amount verbally specified by Bangladesh Bank. Amid the dollar demand hike, not only banks have to purchase dollars above BDT 95 from money exchange houses, but also exporters are showing unwillingness to sell dollars even at BDT 95.5. This scenario has pushed banks to charge more than the central bank's specified amount. Recently, the dollar price reached BDT 92.8 per USD, while the country's forex reserve is declining due to higher import payments and falling remittances. Bangladesh Bank has issued a notice to banks which restricts banks' directors and high officials to procure goods and services from the firms in which they have ownership directly or indirectly. To implement the banking norms, reduce the conflict of interest and ensure good corporate governance, the central bank has been imposing a series of restrictions on bank directors and officials. Bangladesh Bank previously asked banks to delist the firms of the managing director, additional managing director and deputy managing director from the lender list of vendors. That's all for today. We'll be back again next week with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.